Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this question comes from somebody that evidently just does some printing because they're going to use CMYK. So I'm going to have to open up the CMY color palette to do that. So I'm going to go to Palettes and go to CMYK. So now I have a CMYK and it tells you it's right there. It's a CMYK black. She wants all objects, all lines, and all text to be that dark black CMY color. Well, all you have to do with nothing selected is the key. Double click right here and click Artistic Text, Graphics, and that's pretty much it. And then set it for whatever length line, the thickness of the line you want. And that color, we'll go up here to the color palette, pick this. It's on CMYK, as you can see, and then hit OK. Now, we need to do the same thing for, I don't know if she's going to fill it, but with nothing selected, double click on that, pick Uniform Fill, go to CMYK, and open up a color palette, go right here to make sure it's CMYK, click on that and say OK. Artistic text, graphics, and everything, I think, is all you need to do. So now let's take a circle. It turned it into a CMYK 500 point line and CMYK 100 black. Let's take away the fill. The line is at 500 or 0.5 points, and it's CMYK. Let's do a text. The text is CMYK. Let's do a line. The line is CMYK. So that's how you do it. Now, once you've got all that set, I would strongly recommend going to Tools, Save as Default. I'm not going to do it because I'm a laser engraver. So for you laser engravers that we're going to use RGB, all you have to do to shut that one palette down is go back to Palettes and close that palette. And now you got your RGB back and you haven't changed anything. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.